Hey guys, are you looking welder for stainless steel? In this video I will show you top 5 best welder for stainless steel to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, ANDELI, model number, MIG-270P Pro, an easy-to-access menu that offers amazing versatility for more precise welding results. It is super easy and convenient to choose the welding mode, material, welding wires, tungsten rods, electrode, and the workpiece thickness you need by spinning and pressing the buttons. It will show all the parameters clearly. Semi-automatic welding allows you to adjust the voltage and current freely to adjust the welding conditions. The wire speed is automatically set to the appropriate supply speed for the setting conditions. More intuitive, synergically designed, this MIG welder has wire feed speed control so that you can weld smoothly and excellently by adjusting it to suit your application. You can reproduce a clean scale type welding beat on the thin sheet. You can operate it easily even though you are a welding beginner. Number 4. Brand name, HZXVOGEN, model number, MIG-1852, MIG-1852 welding machine is designed with the latest color LED display, provides you with accurate data display for increased control and reliability. The ergonomic design and lightweight model make the machine very easy to carry. It is equipped with overload and overheating system, feel free to use. Perfect for outdoor maintenance, farm road equipment and home DIY. High-frequency transformer with strong conductivity can save energy, resist to high temperature, provide long working hours and lower loss. Its strong anti-electricity fluctuation ability and high energy storage ability can stabilize output current. Easy carrying handle, compact design, easy for translation and storage, very convenient, can be used anywhere you need. The wire feeding speed can be easily adjusted and automatically match the current output. Also, you can adjust the welding current according to your welding habit. It is a reliable and effective tool for professional welders and an entry-level welder machine for beginners. Number 3. Brand name, ANDELI, model number, MCT416. It is a 220-volt smart control soldering iron. It is very easy and convenient to choose the welding mode, material, welding wires, tungsten rods, electrode, and the room capacity you need by turning and pressing the buttons. It displays all parameters clearly. The ideal welding conditions are automatically set by selecting wire diameter and plate thickness. The voltage adjustment and current can be freely adjusted, allowing you to set the welding conditions in finer increments. Each can be adjusted steplessly, making it more effective, especially when performing thin sheet welding. Easy to operate by welding beginners. This welding machine is suitable for ordinary fine steel, iron, stainless steel, low carbon steel, mold repair, etc. Not suitable for welding aluminum. Number 2. Brand name, HZXVOGEN, model number, HVM200. The product is equipped with the most advanced IGBT inverter protection system. The arc response is fast and the output is stable, and the welding effect is good. Beginners can also use it. The HZXVOGEN HVM200 inverter welder is designed as a single-knob intelligent control system, coordinating the speed and current of the wire feeder. The precise digital display guides your welding work and provides me with a perfect weld. The MIG gasless welder will automatically control voltage and current to achieve a smooth arc by synergy function, best ideal for welding beginner. The built-in overheating and overcurrent protection system and the fan cooling system will keep dust and dirt out, thus extending the life of the machine. Number 1. Brand name, HITBOX, model number, HBM1200. HITBOX MIG welder come with a safety feature where the welder is automatically turned off when it is too hot or the voltage and current exceed their range. This flux core welder will keep you and your welder safe. There are fans helping to cooling the welder when working. HITBOX HBM 1200 inverter welder equipped with one-knob control system and digital display. Synergic MIG allows automatic change of the voltage and wire feeding speed by adjusting the amperage. It is best for welding beginner. The panel of gasless MIG welders is more easier to operate. HBM 1200 has adjustable wire feed speed and power settings. You could adjust it to suit your application. Its arc is smooth that bring you a decent job. HITBOX HBM 1200 welder machine has a rated duty cycle of 40% at 120 amps. With this feature, this MIG 120 will protect you and your welder from any long-lasting damage.